Hi, and welcome to Be Bright Energy's Winter Qigong edition. We're going to look to do some moves that will help to regulate your body and your mind, but also find a sense of stillness within you. So no matter what's happening outside of you, you'll be able to find a place of peace and to find a sense of centeredness during these dark months.
So first we start with warm-up exercises. We release the hands and we just start looking left to right, turning the torso at the waist. As we do so, we really release the arms and shoulders and allow them to flow freely with the motion of the turning. We're aiming to let go of the arms, not to move the arms through thought, but to release the arms and allow them to move in a pendulum-like fashion. As we begin to slow down, we allow the arms to gradually stop and come to a standstill. Checking that our knees are soft and our shoulders are relaxed, we move into the next exercise. We breathe in and the arms come up. Breathing out and the arms drop down. Again, the arms and shoulders are completely relaxed and we're using the bending of the knees for the motion. As we breathe in, we feel life coming into the body. As we release, we're releasing all of the old ideas, all of the old energy in order for us to begin again. Feel everything being let go of as we release those arms down. All of the tension, all of the past, all of the ideas are just being released. And as we stop bending the knees, we allow the arms to come to a standstill, shaking the hands off once more and moving into the next exercise. Again, using the motion of the knees, we allow the arms to flow through the back and the front of the body, feeling that sensation of release as we do so. As we look to the left arm flows to the front, right arm to the back, and as we look to the right, we do the opposite way. As we arrive in the middle, this is when the arms rise up like pendulums and then fall back down as we turn. As with all the exercises, we use the breath to really lift that motion. We finish the exercise by placing our hands just below our belly button. Here for a moment we envision a gold ball of light and just feel that energy within us. Moving into the main exercises, we release the hand, we breathe up and turn the hand, releasing the hand as the arm comes down. Breathing the arm up in a circle and releasing the hand down as we release the breath. We follow the hand with our eyes as we continue to move. This exercise is called painting Zen circles. So we imagine the hand being like a brush, soft and flexible, and being moved by the breath, breathing in, coming up, breathing out, going down. And as we do these exercises, we just relax the other arm on our back where the kidneys are, feeling the contact and the warmth of the hand as we massage the kidneys with the motion of the body. As we continue the movement, the circles become smaller and smaller as we're releasing tension with the breath. And as we make smaller circles, we use the index finger and middle finger just to focus on those circles and then becoming still. We focus all of the energy on the tips of those two fingers and we breathe into that space. We release the hands, preparing for the other arm, swapping over, breathing in, going round, breathing out, dropping down, making large, big circles as we move round with our breath, releasing as we drop down, breathing in, bringing new energy as we come up. Remembering to follow your hand with your eyes, turning the whole body, bending the knees as the motion is big. And eventually we start to reduce the size of those circles reducing the breath as we go. And we continue to follow round and releasing, slowing down into smaller circles until those circles become very small. Then using the index finger and middle finger, drawing small circles, slowing down, and then focusing all of the energy on the tips of the fingers, remembering to breathe. We finish the exercise by releasing the arms, giving them a good shake out, and then we breathe in, and then release the breath and allow the hands to fall, finding the lower dantian just below the belly button. Just for a moment we focus on that gold ball of energy, and then we release the hands ready for the next exercise. Shake them off. Right hand rests on the kidneys. We release the breath, swoop down, pick up the energy, making an L shape with the left arm. Again, breathing in, coming up, releasing. Breathing out, dropping down. Breathing in, releasing the energy. Breathing out, dropping down. Keeping that hand into a 90 degrees pose, as if we're pulling up that energy from the ground. This exercise is called the golden harvest. We imagine as we swoop down, the energy comes up, and we spray that energy out through our fingers and release as we come up. Breathing in, dropping down, and breathing out and releasing. Now we prepare to go the other way. We shake the hands out first of all, and then put the right hand on the kidneys and the left hand moves. Breathing in, we pick up the energy. Breathing out, we release it. The arm is like a plow that's moving the energy and releasing the energy in order to start again. With each motion, we're stimulating the kidneys and releasing fear and releasing the past as we reap a new, fresh, golden energy. As we finish, we drop the hands, breathe in, throw the arms up, and then allow the hands to drop, finding the lower dantian. And we soften the knees, relax the shoulders, and we pause for a moment, focusing on the gold ball of light. Preparing for the next exercise, we place our hands on our kidneys, we take a deep breath in, raise up the heels, and drop directly down, releasing the breath. Breathing in, coming up, breathing out, and releasing. As we do this exercise, feel the warmth of the hands on the kidneys, breathing in and dropping down as we release the breath. Really feel a judder in the body as it shakes all of the tension out. All of the stagnant energy gets released with each judder, and continue on, allowing your breath to lead you. When you're ready to finish, drop the hands, breathe in, throw the energy up, breathe out, and slowly release the hands to find the lower dantian. We'll rest here for a moment with our eyes closed, envisioning a gold ball of light just below the belly button. When you're ready, we will begin the next exercise by releasing the hands, raising them up, as if we're feeling the energy from the ground. We close our eyes for a moment and really focus on feeling the energy coming up through our legs and our hands. And then we breathe out, raise the hand up and back while watching it, and then doing the same with the other hand. As we reach back, we breathe in. As we drop down, we breathe out, reaching back, breathing in. When we get to the top, release the breath and release the hand. making a semicircle as if we're swimming on our back. The still arm remains aware of the energy coming up from the ground as we watch the motion of the moving hand. Now it's time to listen to your breath and allow your breath to lead the flow and the motion as you continue on. To finish, the hands come back into the same position and pause for a moment. We release them, breathe in, breathe out, drop the hands down, finding the lower dantian and envisioning the gold ball of light with our eyes closed. As we breathe in, the light becomes stronger. As we release the breath, the energy is released through the body. Shaking the hands out, we place our hands on the kidneys, breathing in. We breathe out, trace a line down. We breathe in, following the insides of the legs, breathing in, opening up. And then releasing the hands and the breath. Breathing in, we start again. Breathing out, we go down. Breathing in, we come up. Breathing in, expanding out. And then releasing again, finding the kidneys. Breathing out, drawing a line down the center, drawing a line as you're breathing in, up and through. As we're doing this exercise, we're stimulating the kidney meridians as we go down and the bladder meridian as we come up, and then we open everything to be released, and then we continue on, allowing the breath to lead. This exercise is from the 8 Brocades, and it's called 2 Hands Hold the Feet to Strengthen the Kidneys and Waist. This is a great exercise to cleanse the energy and to release all old emotion. And as we come up one more time, allow everything to open and be released. Releasing the breath, we breathe in, throw the arms up, breathe out and allow the hands to float down to the lower dantian, where we focus on a gold ball of light with our eyes closed, just below the belly button. For the last exercise, we imagine a gold ball the size of a marble popping out of the gold ball of light below our belly button, going down through our legs, and as we breathe in, we close our eyes, we raise that ball up the back of our body, over the head. Breathing out, the ball comes down the front of the body, back under. Breathing in, the ball rises up. Breathing out, the ball flows down the front again, causing an orbit around the body, using our breath to move this energy, circulating the energy, allowing the front line to be released. The forehead is released, the heart is released, the lower dantian is released, as we continue this flow of energy with our eyes closed and really seeing that small ball orbiting the body. This exercise is called the microcosmic orbit, and it helps to clear the 2 main energy pathways in the front and in the back of the body. In the winter, our energy naturally wants to move inward. The microcosmic orbit supports this by nourishing the kidneys, calming the nervous system, and helping us feel more rooted, safe, and emotionally steady. When this pathway is open, people often experience a sense of emotional well-being, deeper calm, better sleep, and a feeling of being more connected to themselves. This exercise is a beautiful movement meditation and can be continued on for as long as you like. When you're ready to finish, bring the energy down and allow it just to pop back in below the belly button into your energy center. I hope these exercises bring you much peace, and I will finish off and allow you to continue by saying Namaste.